Now let's talk about modules. Sometimes you are going to have functions that you may want to use over and over again. Maybe not only in the same program, but in different programs. So instead of having to rewrite the function every single time, what you can do is throw all the functions that you are going to use over and over again into a separate file and then just include that file in whatever program you are working on. Not only does it help you from writing bunch of code, but it also helps organize your programming a little bit better. Now, let's create a custom module. Creating custom module allows you to organize your code into reusable components. To create a custom module, we first need to create a Python file. What you can do is to come here, click on file, then click on new file. I want to create a Python file, so I will click on Python file. Let's give it a name. You press the Ctrl S. Let's call it, I want to create an arithmetic module. So I'm going to call it my calc.py. So I'm using it for calculation. I'll just call it my calc.py. Remember, py is a Python extension. Alright, so I will save it. The next thing is to write the function that should be inside the module. Let me define a function. Then I will say add, open the brackets, a comma b, and I want it to return a plus b. So this is my function. You just save it. This is the function that will be in this module. Now, let me practicalize this. I will go to a new file. Let's come here. Now, the first thing I will do is to import that module. So I will say import, and the name of that module is my calc. So I will say my calc. I will not include the .py. Remember, .py is an extension. I'm importing the module and not the file. So I will say import my calc. Then I can say result equal to my calc dot add. You will write the module, then the function, which is add, in brackets, let's say 4, 5. I want to print the result. So I will say print. I want to include a string. The sum is then result. Okay. Remember, I included the module and I included add, which is the function here. Remember, I said the function that says add. So this is addition function, and I said it here, which is the module plus the function. And if I run this, I'm going to get 9. You can see the sum is 9. I just used the module that I created here. You can also create a new function for multiplication. Let's do it here. Let's say multiply a comma b, return a multiplied by b. Okay, so this is a new function that I just created in the module, and I can come back here and also use it. So let me change this add to multiply, which is a new function that I just created. So I have changed it from add to multiply. If I run it, the two figures will be multiplied to give us an answer. You can see the sum is 20. I forgot to change this one here, but that does not really matter. What matters is the function. You can see it is 20. Why? Because I just used a new function that is in this module. You can create any function you want inside your module. You can create a custom module for your own use. When you create a custom module, this allows you to organize your code into reusable components. That is the importance of creating your own module. You can see how we have been able to use two functions inside this module that I just created. If you like the video you just watched and you would love to learn more, the link to my course is in the description box. You can click the link to get my course for just $3.99. The video you just watched is just a clip of one of the lessons in my course, and if you would love to learn from me, you can get this course, Python Programming for Beginners. Learn Python Programming in 7 days. The course is just $3.99. You will get to learn a lot in this course. You will learn Python syntax and indentation, control structures and data types, Python functions. You will learn how to solve problems. You will learn how to build programs with Python. You will learn about data structures, dictionaries and sets, file handling, modules and libraries in Python, and also how to build Python projects. With this course, you will master the fundamentals of Python programming from variables and data types to loops and functions. So in this course, you will learn by doing. Each of the lessons comes with exercises to ensure you are coding every day. The link is in the description box. Go there and get it for just $3.99. Yes, $3.99. Hit the like button if you love this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I have more videos coming in. See you in my next video.